Go to Windows search bar. Type registry editor. Right click run as administrator. Before you proceed in the registry, I will suggest you create a backup. To create a backup, click on File, click on Export, type file name, select export range and save it where you want to save it. And whenever you need it, just click on File and click on Import and import it from where you saved last time. Now expand HKey current user, expand software, expand Microsoft, scroll down and search OneDrive, expand it, expand accounts, click on personal, right click, click on new, select DWOT32 with value, type on this day photo notification disable and click enter. Double click, change value data to 1. Restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.